Okay, so here I'm at the end and I'm pulling my yarn here so I can make that last stitch invisible here. So we have to fix this, right? So I go under that V stitch, I'm pulling my working yarn, and from the previous V stitch, I go under it, and then I pick my tail and I pull through it, and I'm gonna have to take it back. So through the back of my work, I pull my hook and I grab that tail, and there it is, all hidden in the back. And again, you cannot tell where is my beginning and where is my end. Okay, and that is our lemon coaster. So like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you in the next one.